Welcome to another video, guys. This is just a little quick unboxing. I bought something from Amazon and I always wanted this, so I'm gonna show you guys what it is and such the light. So come with me, guys. Let me show you what I got today out the mail from Amazon. Bought this on Amazon Prime. Yes. What it is. It's a gravity case, my gravity case that I bought today from Amazon. Anti-gravity case. I'm gonna show you guys how it works and such the light, so you will see exactly what it does. I'm gonna show you right now, right about now. Oops, I'm zooming in too much, but yes, guys, check out my gravity case. Yeah. So okay, guys, I'm about to put it on my phone. Let me see. I have to put it on my phone. There we go. There we go. And then I'm gonna rip it off. Whoa. Uh-oh, something right there. And then, guys, I'm gonna show you exactly what it does. That's it right there. So I could swipe it up. Oh, I don't want to show y'all my password. And turn this around. Hi! Good video. Hey guys, hi! This is my gravity case, guys. My new toy. My new toy. Yep. I could do whatever I want to do with it. I could put it wherever I want to put it. Yes. Hi. Hello, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for coming. Thank y'all for subscribing. I appreciate it.